Greetings, this is Edward Ojambo. Ojambo.com has an article about CSS fluid or liquid layout. The link is ojambo.com/css-fluid-liquid-layout. As usual, the entire code samples are available at ojambo.com. You can click that to see the code, and you can see the demonstration as well. Okay, so if you ever need help with creating web or mobile applications, you can always visit ojamboservices.com. That's ojamboservices.com in the Toronto, Ontario area. Okay, let's begin. I've created a file. So this is going to be HTML5 syntax. So all you do is the doc type with HTML. Then you actually create the actual HTML file. In this case, for backward compatibility, I'll put the language you want to make them know that it's English. Okay, and there's a header. The head tag. Put the title, which would just be ojambo.com CSS fluid liquid layout. Next, we'll create just a meta for the type of character sets, UTF-8, and then later on we'll create the styles. So I'll just leave that space there empty. Let's create the body. 2 body tags. Inside there we'll create our container where all our content will be. Give it an ID of container, and inside here we'll have the header, ID of header. Just create paragraph tags for now, and we'll just say header. Now to save some time, I'm just going to copy the header part and paste it in 3 times. Okay, so rename the first copy to content, main content. Second one will be the sidebar, and last one will be the footer. Okay, now let's go and create the styles. Just a style tag, and the type will be text/CSS. And for the body, we'll just make it the font size will be 100%. That's whatever the person's font size is set to. I usually set it to bigger fonts. And then the container will make it 100. Make the width 75%, and that'll be max width. And we'll put it in the center. And then for our content, we will float it to the left, and the width will be 67%. And then for the sidebar, we'll make the floated left as well, and we'll make the width 33%. So we use up the entire 100% of the parent. Okay, and finally for the footer, we'll just clear the floats, so the footer stays on the bottom of the sidebar and main content. And I'll just give it some colors as well. So the background, make this one blue, just so you'll be able to see when I resize the browser window. And this one will make it red, just for contrast. And this one will make it yellow, and the footer will make it green. Okay, so we save, and then we'll load this up in your web browser. Okay, and you can see that's how it is. And if we resize the window, so you can see the content automatically. So that's the fluid or liquid layout. Okay, hope you find this information useful. The entire tutorial can be found at ojambo.com. Please visit and leave feedback.